As you can see, our problem down at the lower orchard garden area is these monsters. That's not going to be a problem as of tomorrow. It's demolition day. And then we're going to do some revamping down here. This fence is only about 4 foot tall. And our deer just jumped right over. And they decimated our sweet potato crop last year. And we don't have 1/4-inch hardware cloth along the bottom to keep the rabbits out. Not that those are a problem anymore right now because of the Cooper hawks. But we're probably going to take all this fencing down and then just use the dog panels, the 10x6, and outline the main garden box. Nobody touches the raspberries, so we'll probably leave that open for right now. And then we got to do some kind of better trellis system. There goes Bill. I need one more load down by the grapes. Come up with a better trellis system for our blackberries. And these are the Freedom Arc, or Prime Freedom Arc. But they've done really well. And every one of them made it through the winter. So we'll continue down this line. I want about 12 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're only at 7 right now. But I'll keep cloning those. And eventually we'll have a nice row and I will never have to buy blackberries or raspberries or blueberries. That's my plan. So I'm gonna get back there, spread that out, and then take a little bit of a break and see what else we come up with. The day has come. Time for those trees to go. Maxon is here and is starting to clear down by the orchard lower garden area. And they are chipping away.